In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare Smartsheet pricing plans and choose the right option for your needs. To get started, open the Smartsheet pricing page in your web browser. This is the best place to work from because it gives you the most current plan details, pricing structure, and feature comparisons in one place. Since software pricing can change over time, it's always a good idea to review the official page directly instead of relying on older screenshots or outdated articles. Once you're on the pricing page, begin by reviewing the monthly pricing for each available plan. Take your time here and look carefully at how the pricing is displayed. In many cases, the monthly price may be shown as a per user amount, so it's important to understand whether you're looking at the cost for one person or the total starting price for a team. Next, compare the main plan options, including Pro, Business, Enterprise, and any advanced options that may be listed. As you go through them, focus on what each plan is designed for. Lower tier plans are usually aimed at individuals or small teams, while higher tier options often support larger organizations with more advanced administration, security, and workflow capabilities. After that, check how many users are included or required for each plan. This part is especially important because the total cost can change significantly depending on team size. Some plans may have a minimum number of users, while others may be more flexible for smaller groups. Make sure you note whether the plan starts with a set number of users or whether pricing scales as you add more people. From there, review the feature differences between the plans. Look for the tools your team actually needs, such as automation, reporting, integrations, permissions, admin controls, or advanced collaboration features. It can be tempting to focus only on price, but the cheapest plan is not always the best fit if it's missing essential functionality. Now calculate the total monthly cost based on your number of users. Multiply the monthly per user price by the number of users you need and make sure to account for any minimum seat requirements. This gives you a more realistic picture of what you'll actually pay each month, rather than just relying on the starting price shown on the page. Finally, choose the plan that best matches both your budget and your feature needs. The goal is to find the option that gives you enough functionality for your workflow without overspending on tools you won't use. If you're comparing plans for a growing team, it can also help to think ahead and choose an option that gives you room to scale.